Hey guys, today's video is super exciting. I'm going to be showing you some 3D printed stuff that I have designed and printed myself. I will be doing a painting with each one, so I hope you're ready. Here we go. Hey everybody, I hope you're all having a great day. Today's video is a little bit longer than my normal ones. That is because I am showing you some of my 3D printed stuff that I have designed and created myself. This first one is an attachment for the mini leaf blower. It comes with a regular round attachment, but you can see this one is more oval shaped. And it clicks right on just like the regular attachment that it comes with. And the main reason that I designed this attachment is because when I do the bloom technique, I get dizzy. So I thought, why not try to create something that would help me with that? So this is what I came up with. And I'm super excited for you guys to see it. I have been experimenting with this attachment for a little while. I wanted to make sure that I got the right design. We've tried a couple different ones, and this is the one that I've gotten the best results from. So I just wanted to let you guys know too that for those of you that don't know, I have been acrylic pouring for about 3 years now. There's so many different techniques, and everybody has their favorite technique. And with each one, I think we all kind of have things that make doing the technique easier. So that is really why I had decided to get a 3D printer and design useful, helpful things, not only for me as an acrylic pourer, but for you guys as well. And so let's take a look at how this attachment works. You can see that it blows over the paint really nice. Now, my paint is a little bit thicker, so for these other, this technique, generally it's a little thinner, but you can see that it just glides so nice and smooth over top and pushes that cell activator over top of that. Alright, so I hope that you guys love this as much as I do. I'm just going to go ahead and let you finish watching this and see how this develops. Alright, and don't forget, I have 2 more paintings coming up. Okay, so here we go with the second painting, and I will be using my 3D printed swipe tools. They come in 3 sizes. That's a 1.5 inch by 4 inch. This one is a 3 inch, of course, by 4 inch. And then this one is 6 inches by 4 inches as well. They are nice and flexible, and they each have a nice grippy handle at the top. So one of the main reasons that I decided to make a 3D printed swipe tool was because of the waste. So I love to do swipes. It's one of my favorite techniques, acrylic pouring techniques to do. And I noticed that every time I got done with a painting, I had a pile of baby wipes or a pile of wet paper towels or whatever it was that I was using. And I just thought, why not make something that is reusable? And this 3D printed swipe tool is perfect. It's flexible, it's reusable, and I love it. So hopefully you guys will love it as well. All right, so as you can see, I have paint all over this canvas. I don't really have any rhyme or reason. I'm just using up a bunch of leftover paint. So I'm not going to be putting the names and the colors or anything in the description. You can kind of see what colors they are, really. Got some metallics, got some iridescent, just some regular ones as well. What I do know, though, is that they're mixed with Floetrol and water only. So at least we know that. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys watch this, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so we are on the last painting, and I am working on a 14 by 18 canvas. I have all of my colors here, and I will be using Blick paints. The first one is Deep Violet, the second one is Phthalo Blue, the third one is Metallic Teal, and I absolutely love this color. It is super, super pretty. This one is Alizarin Crimson. And then for my white, I mixed Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White with Liquitex Basics Titanium White. And I'm using two of my split cups. I'm using a triple split and a double split, and I will be doing a kiss pour. All right, so I just want to let you know too, before I forget, the paints, all of my paints today are mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex Pouring Medium, Floetrol, and water. All right, and a little bit about why I designed these split cups. I had noticed in a couple of the other ones that I had used, the paint drips right down the front, and it was kind of, some of them were a little bit hard to hold on to. So I designed one with this cool spout, super sweet spout as I like to call it. The paint comes right out of the spout. It does not drip down the front. You have more control over your paint instead of looking down on the side to see where your paint is. You can see right from the top, and it's easy to grip. So that's a little bit on why I designed it. So let's get into the painting. This is a kiss pour, and you can see that with a kiss pour you have to touch the two together, and look at that, it's perfect. There's no paint coming down, you can see it easily, and there's no mess on your cup. Alright, so with all that being said, I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy this one, watch it develop, and I'll be back for the dried results. Okay guys, so here we go with the dried photos, and this one was the kiss pour that I used 2 of my split cups. I thought that I had over tilted a bit because I tend to kind of go in a circle and then over each corner, but I was pleasantly surprised when I saw that heart develop, so I love that. I do love the defined lines that I got, and also the colors are super pretty. I love the metallic teal. It is such a gorgeous color, and the other colors as well. Alright, so here we go with the swipe, and this one dried amazing. I love all those colors. I honestly was not sure what to expect with this one. I really was just using up some paint and then showing you at the same time how my 3D printed swipe tool works. It really is super easy to use. And on the plus side, you don't have to worry about throwing a bunch of stuff away. You just wipe it off and you're good to go again. All right, so Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, check out all my links in the description. My Etsy shop link is in there. The swipe tool is available, and also my split cups are available as well. My attachment is not available yet. It will be soon, and you can see how this one dried as well. It's amazing. I love it. It looks exactly like it did when it was wet, did not change at all. So I'm pretty happy with how that attachment works. All right, guys, so I hope y'all are having a Merry Christmas, enjoying the holidays with your family, and I have a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well, and I will catch you in the next video.